Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious churros and a rich chocolate dip. First, let's prepare the churro dough. Combine 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt in a saucepan, bringing it to a boil. Then, add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, stirring vigorously until a smooth dough forms. Remove from heat and let it cool slightly before transferring it to a piping bag fitted with a star tip. This ensures perfect churro ridges. Now that your dough is ready, it's time to fry those churros to golden perfection. Heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pot to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully pipe 4-inch long churro strips directly into the hot oil, using kitchen shears to cut them. Fry the churros for 2 to 3 minutes per side until they are beautifully golden brown and wonderfully crispy. Work in small batches to maintain oil temperature. No churro experience is complete without a decadent chocolate dip. In a separate saucepan, gently heat 1 cup of heavy cream and 2 tablespoons of sugar until just simmering. Remove the pan from the heat and immediately stir in 6 ounces of finely chopped dark chocolate. Whisk continuously until the chocolate is completely melted and the dip becomes wonderfully smooth and glossy. This rich, velvety dip perfectly complements the crispy churros. Once your churros are fried, drain them on paper towels to remove excess oil. While still warm, toss them generously with a mixture of cinnamon and sugar for that classic sweet crunch. Arrange your freshly made churros on a platter alongside the warm, rich chocolate dip. This delightful treat is perfect for sharing with friends and family. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.